welcome back. Today is episode 10 of the K24 build series. Today is the day. Today is the day we put the swap in the car, and also today is the last day I will be filming on this lens. So today should be a good day, hopefully. Now, before these two join for holy matrimony, we must first tie the knot. That was cool, right? That shit was trash. Here we have my stage 3 action clutch setup. And one of these boxes I have a lightweight flywheel that they also provide for the clutch kit setups. Now, despite all the drama you might hear about action clutch is honestly a great clutch, bro. Like, I had it on my Turbo B series, no issues, granted. I had it on for like, what, 2 months tops before I decided to go K series. But it was like, honestly, the best clutch, the best feeling on the clutch pedal I've ever used. Super thankful for them for wanting to come on board with this build, because I was gonna run them anyway, because I already like how the B series feel, but I reached out to them just to see if they were like willing to give me a discount on it. And by the car gods themselves, Action Clutch came through and they fully sponsored the build with their clutch kit. So without further ado, let's unbox it and show you guys what I got. Any, mini, miny, mo, catch your tiger by its toe. All right, bet. Okay, so here we have both boxes completely unboxed. First box, I'm guessing this is my flywheel. I'm gonna go on the limb and say this is my flywheel, and it is in fact my flywheel. Yes, sir. Now, I went with 11-pound flywheel because too light of a flywheel, I mean, it's good for your all-motor. Like, if you're an all-motor car, it's best to run a lightweight flywheel, but if you're turbo, I try to stay stock-ish pound flywheel because, I don't know, it's just better that way. I forgot why it's better, but I know, like, all-motor cars is better to run a lightweight flywheel, but turbo cars, you want to run, like, something heavier, like either a stock or, like, a performance stock-based flywheel that's a little heavier. For some reason, I don't know, I'm not a mechanic, I don't know. I just make YouTube videos that I get roasted about. That's what I do. Unbox my beautiful brand new flywheel. Ooh. Check your boy out, son. Ta-da! Now let's open up this clutch kit, playboy. Action Clutch, boy. One of the best in the damn game right now. Here we have my brand new stage 3 with a lightweight flywheel action clutch kit, playboy. Gotta love the great people over at Action Clutch, man. I really do appreciate you guys for coming on board with this build. I was gonna go with you guys regardless because I like the way you guys treated me, and it's just like, bro, that's like the #1 thing for me. Like, I love working with companies or with like people who like, or you know, investing in their company by the way they treat their customers, because customer service is a big thing for me. Like, it's nice to know business people actually care about the people that's, you know, pouring into them, you know what I'm saying? Like, and along with that, I did partner up with them for this, so you guys already know I got a discount code available. Funny thing about this is I've been partnered with Action Clutch since the B series, so it's cool that they're going to come on board with the K series. But if you go to their website and use code Zosh, you will save 15% off your clutch kit. I think 15 or 10%, one of those. So if you're looking for a clutch kit, they specialize in B series, D series, H series, K series. You know, it's a Honda Acura platform for the most part. But they do carry clutches for Nissan, I believe. I remember seeing a Nissan 350Z on their post. But if you have a car and you want a clutch kit that's affordable and it's, you know, they have great customer service, so if something happens, they will most likely 40 times out of 5 look out for you. Highly recommend Action Clutch. Link down below. And remember, use code Zosh to save 10% off your purchase. For the culture. Zosh is for the culture. All right, home stretch. Let's put on this. All right. All right, y'all. All right, so it's the home stretch. Let's put on this clutch kit and join these two in holy matrimony. I'm gonna keep using that because I think that's an awesome thing to say. Like, join these. All right. So now it's the home stretch. Let's install this clutch kit, get the flywheel on, pressure plate, all that good jazz. Let's get to work, son. Let's do this. Alright, we got the flywheel, the clutch disc, and the pressure plate on, son. Now it's time to do the throttle bearing, grease it up the shaft, and then attach the trans to the motor. Well, you guys are gonna be mad. I put the transmission on, but I didn't film it because I was scared that I'm gonna mess something up, but I didn't, so check me out! Boom! Look at that. Well, I already got the thing on when I started hoisting it in the car, but check your boy out. Look at the ice, bruh. Look at the ice, bruh. Ooh, that boy is clean, boy. Clean. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. Excuse the mess, but got the rear bracket on with the hardware. And now it's time to hoist it up. Oh, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it, oh wait, shouldn't I put the trans mount bracket in and stuff? I'll do that last. Well, rear mount first, driver mount, and then passenger mount. Got the car jacked up, had to remove the shift linkage. By the way, if you want a B-Series GSR shift linkage, it's for sale. But as far as the engine going in, I got it jacked up, so now I have room for the wheels to slide in. Let's keep going and see if we can get this engine in. Rain lows came by, so make this much quicker. Hey bro, I got a K-swap. I got a K-swap.
My nigga.
I can push the engine in. So I get this T-bracket bolt in.
A little more? Ah, too much. Come back up a little bit. A little more.
Come back. Oh, shit, I shouldn't tell.
Pull it back.
Look at that, boy. Zosh got a K24 swapped Integra. That's what I'm doing around here, playboy. It's a beautiful day for a K-swap. Really, bro? Man, it's a beautiful day for a K-swap. It is in the car. K24 Zosh in the flesh, playboy. Oh! Aside from getting the engine in the car, finally, I was supposed to do it Friday, but so much crap happened, bro. But I got it in today, and guess what else we got? My new lens. All right, hours later, after a fresh shower and an unboxing, here is my new lens. It's the kit lens 16 to 55, so no more manual focusing. All right, glitch over to the new lens. Yo, we are back, son. Kit lens gang playboy. Look, watch this focus. Oh, let's get down to business and show you guys this K24 swapped DC4. I wish I had a DC2, but I say DC2 because no one ever searches YouTube for DC4 Integra. They type in DC2 Integra. So for all my Integra YouTubers out there, just put DC2. It's not clickbait. It's whatever, bro. I mean, that kind of is clickbait because like you got the Rally Yard, then you got the regular Lancer, then you got the Evo. Or whatever, I'm clickbaiting. DC2 K24 swap Integra. Let's get it. Look at that focus, bro. I'm zoomed in. Look at the focus. Oh. All right, so here we have the K24 A2 swap inside the car. And I am so surprised at how much room I actually have. Like, bro, if this motor had like where like the exhaust manifold came here down, you know how Exxon turbo you could fit? But then again, you got all this room back here too. So it's like, it's crazy, bro. Like, I'm so excited, dog. I'm so excited. Now that the motor's in the car, I can finally like kind of relax a little bit about like pressuring myself to, yo, Zosh, you gotta do this today, blah, blah, blah. Now I can just relax and just wait for all the parts to come in the mail. Now, everything I got coming in the mail, hopefully this week, is engine harness, conversion harness, slave cylinder, S2K master with the adapter plate. I just can't believe that I did it in a short span of time. Like, I started this build, I think September 1st, and it's almost the last day of September. You watching this on the last day of September, and I officially have a K-swapped Integra. And now I just have to wait these, well, like next week and a half, 2 weeks out for all the parts. And then by week 3, I should be driving, get it tuned. And then week 4, which would be the start of November, I'm out to Simply Clean with the car. And also, I did get into Simply Clean, which is weird. Like, I just applied just to apply. And well, I got accepted. So I guess I'll see you guys in the show at Simply Clean. If nothing goes wrong, pray to Rey Mysterio that nothing goes wrong. But let's just admire this. Oh, it's so cool. It's so freaking clean. I can't believe I did it, man. I cannot believe I'm K-swap, bro. From the B series B20 guy, from the stock block 1000, this is just unreal. I just want to send a massive thank you to everyone who's played a part in this build so far. Like, everybody who sent me anything, like everybody, bro. Thank you guys so much for making this possible, because this, bro, this is I have a K-swapped Integra, bro. So stoked. Bro, that oil pan clearance is no joke, dog. Like, yo, that is no joke, bro. I'm raising the hell out of this car. Don't worry about that. This car is definitely getting raised. And, well, my Rotomasters are gone to my man Ron, which is K-Bros here on YouTube. I got some spare wheels for my boy Rob to put on the car until my wheels come in. And a huge thank you to my boy Randy for coming through with the tires. I got some Firehawk Indy 500s on their way. You guys know I'm running the 16x8 black RPF ones as my wheel of choice, and I will be done, son. I will be ready for Simply Clean. But that is gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. I got the swap in. Now I can relax for like a day or two before I start putting in the axles and all the other fun jazz and stuff like that. Today was a beautiful day. September 29th, 2018, your boy Zosh officially became K-swapped. And I know I'm probably making this a big deal, like, oh, it's just a K-series, bro, but I can never afford a K-series, and like, timing is everything, bro. Timing is literally everything. And I'm so blessed, bro, to have certain companies want to work with me that I wanted to work with, that I reached out to in the hopes of working with, that was like, yeah, bro, we support you. Like, it's so cool, bro. Like, it's honestly so cool to have support. It's like, I don't want to say I worked hard for this, because like, well, you just make YouTube videos, bro, you just edit, but I worked my ass off to get here, bro. And if you think YouTube is easy, it is, but being consistent and bringing entertaining videos every time you upload, it's challenging. But if you have a personality and you stay yourself, then, you know, it is easy, but it's hard work at the same time. I put a lot of hard work into this, bro. This is my craft. Like, whatever I do, whether it's cars and comedy, I give it my all. Whether I half-ass it or something, I make it work, bro. Like, I make it work. I'm 22 years old, dog. I'm my first Honda build, my first legit Honda build, so cut me some slack. But that is gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, could you please smack that like button for me? That'd be greatly appreciated. And shout out to my dude for the lens. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.